In this class, we are going to learn about the formatting a Word document and formatting a text using font dialog box and paragraph formatting. Okay. So far, we learned about how to create a new document and how to open a blank pages and how to do, undo, redo, and how to save and how to delete. These are all we learned in the before classes. But today, in this formatting a Word document, you can learn how to give a color for text and how to change the color and how to change the size of the text. And in this formatting text using font dialog box, with the help of dialog box, how to change your text attractive and how to change your text as your wish. Okay, so next is paragraph formatting. You can learn how to align a paragraph text and how to give a space in between the paragraph lines and how to create a one paragraph as very attractive and needful. Okay, and also we going to learn about the this topics shortcuts also. Okay, let's see children how to do in our Word document.
Okay, children, now we are going to see how to formatting a text. Okay, so here I am clicking a new blank page. Okay, children, what is formatting a text? Formatting text means you're making the document look attractive, or you're making a text as very attractive and change the font color or change the font size. Okay. See here, children. If I want to make the document attractive, means first you want some text, right? Here, see, here I'm wrote Naha Public CBSE Senior Secondary School. Okay, so now I'm going to edit this text as very attractive. Okay, so see, I'm selected. See, I select all text. Okay, entire line. I select the entire line and I want different font style. Okay, so see, if I click this, my text as become like text. So see next, it is a Time New Roman and this is the agency FB. In this list of font models, there are a lot of font designs. You can click anything you want. Okay, so here I am giving just a Nahar Public School Senior Secondary as Rockboard. Okay, see here I have changed my text as Rockwell Extra font style. Okay, so next I'm going to change my font size. See, I'm changed my font size as 20. Okay, I select 18 only. Okay, if you want to click a change a font size with the help of shortcuts, means what will you give? Note it down. The font size shortcut is Control plus Shift plus P. Okay, so let's give Control plus Shift plus Control plus Shift plus P. Okay, so it is selected the size font size tab. So here you can give your numbers. I'm giving a 17. Okay, so see here I have changed my font size with the help of shortcuts. Okay, next change the text effect. Okay, so see, this is the option to change your text as attractive. Okay, so see, if I select it fully and then select the text effect option. So see, if I click this, means what happened? This is the one option, or one type of option to edit up your text as very effective manner. Okay, so see, with the help of these option you can create attractive page. Okay, in your high secondary cities, the word will be very useful to create any documents or create any projects. Okay, so listen carefully. So if I want to change the sky blue color, what I will do? This is the outline. Okay, so if you are giving this option, the outline will be changed as you given. Okay, as you given, then this is the shade of the color. Okay, so see, it is the inner color. Okay, so there is a lot of options to create your text as very attractive. This is the option to glow. Okay, so see, now my text is very attractive, right? So this is the reflection option. See, like shade option. Okay, if you give this option, your text become very attractive, more attractive, and full reflection. Okay, has become a reflection. So next one is a, what is the next option? We already saw this. And okay, now I'm going to change the color of my text. Okay, I'll give a green color, sorry, black color. See, now see. Okay, if I have a grammatical error in this, what I will do? So CBSE, in this word I have given a small letter, so I want to change this letter as uppercase. So what I do? So just click this word only, and then go to this option. See, go to this option, click this option. In this option you can see the change the selected text to uppercase. You can change the small case into uppercase and uppercase into lowercase, and everything you can change as smaller and upper as your wish. This is upon your wish. So see, I click the uppercase. See, my word has become uppercase. Okay, see here. Now, so there is no need to change anything because it is already right only. So I just give a ignore all. So see, now the red line has gone. Okay, so see, have you all understand what I did? I did change my font color and have given a font as attractive, and I given a shade of my letter, and I given a reflection to my letter and glow to my letter, and I have given a color to my letter. Then I have changed my letter as uppercase. Okay. Okay, children, what is the formatting text using font dialog box? Okay, this is the tool, and in this tool we can make a lot of formatting to create a various type of effects in this text. Okay, so paragraph formatting. How to create, in this topic you will learn create a paragraph as effective and also add some feature with paragraph. Okay, so let's see how to add some features. Okay, So your document. Okay, first thing you have to insert some paragraph here. Okay. So if you want to edit a paragraph means you already have some paragraph. Okay, so I just copy this. Copy Control plus C is a shortcut to copy. Okay, so now I'm going to paste our document is in our document. Okay, so see here I'm going to paste. Control plus V is the used to paste our document. Okay, so see, listen, what is paragraph? A document in word is a collection of sentence or paragraph. Okay, want these this line has to come the next line. What do? You just keep the cursor in front of the sentence and just enter the enter button. So see, now it is come into the next line. Okay, has come into the next line. Okay, next. So as like I'm going to edit this line as next line. So likewise you have to give enter button. Okay, so next one. Okay, likewise so in the earlier I have showed you something how to edit a text, right? Likewise you just try in this paragraph also. Okay, the same procedures only for everything, every text in when you want to edit a text as attractive, the same procedure you have to keep it up. Okay, what procedure in earlier I have done. Okay, so next one is aligning the paragraph text. How to aligning the paragraph text? Okay, now here see children, here my paragraph is here, right? So I want to become my paragraph as start from here. Okay, so what I do, I just first select this entire paragraph. Okay, because I want to move these all lines in here, so that's why I select everything. Okay, so select, what is the selection, what is the shortcut to select the entire file? Place the cursor here, plus A. Okay, as A is a shortcut to copy the entire file. Okay, so next, now I'm going to align the paragraph. Okay, it is the option to align your text as left and this is the center and this is common thing, then it is a right. Okay, right side. If you click this, your text has become right. Okay, so if you click this, your text become like this center point. Okay, if you click this option, your text become left side. Okay, what to align your text as left side? Control plus L. Okay, Control plus L is a option to align your paragraph in left side. Okay, okay, see, so next one is a center. What is the center alignment shortcut? Control plus C is a central. See here, okay children, what is the shortcut to create your document in center? Control plus E is the shortcut to align your document in middle. Okay, center. Okay, next, see, okay, now I'm going to align my paragraph as proper way. So I just click this, sorry, this one, sorry, this one. See, now my, okay, so this is the is used to, it's like the center method only. Okay, so I'll just click out drop out this. Okay, this is the right method. Okay, so it is enough. Okay, so now you just click a tab button. Okay, so if you click a tab and here, so okay, so this is the way to this is used to align your text as in the middle. Okay, so it is also the same thing. And next one is the line and paragraph spacing. Okay, this option is used to align a paragraph as some spaces. Okay, which is you want which is how you want to give a space in between the paragraphs. Okay, it depends upon you. Okay, so now I'm select everything. Okay, so see, so just click this is okay, this button is called a line and paragraph spacing button. Okay, this button is called a line and paragraph spacing button. It is used to give a space in between your paragraphs. Okay, if I click this 1.0 space means what happened, just not look nice. Okay, so now I'm clicking 1.15. It is little bit okay. So now I want a more space in in my paragraph. What I do, I just click a 1.5. Okay, now my paragraph has become okay.